welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Jody. So guys, we couldn't do a video because it was so cold. As you can see my face, I'm a little bit sick because I got the flu. Me and my husband, we just came from grocery shopping. We went to ShopRite and we're gonna do a grocery haul. So guys, let me show you what we have got here. So guys, we have some chicken breast right here. I'm gonna make some chicken. I'm gonna slice the chicken and then I'm gonna fry it with this. I'm gonna coat it with this breadcrumbs. You could use it for chicken. See it right there. You could use it for chicken, cutlets, stuffings, meatballs, seafood. So I'm gonna use this and stuff and coat it with this, and I'm gonna fry it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after. I have me some facial tissue because I have a runny nose. I have the flu, so I have this right here. It's a ShopRite brand. I have some vinegar here. Some vinegar. It's like for vegetables, apple cider vinegar here. I got me a whole cabbage. My husband likes it. I like it too, with saltfish. We have over here Belvita sandwich, dark chocolate. Never had it before, but I'm gonna try it out. We have a whole milk. We like whole milk. So good. With some cereal. So good. And we have some blueberry muffin. Who love blueberry muffin like me? Tell me. Comment and tell me, guys. We have Hunt's tomato ketchup. I love using this ketchup. I love to make the chicken sauce with it. I love to use that. We got our favorite right here, apple juice. Yep. Drink some of that with some good old. Oh, and we have the chicken jumbo frankfurters. Franks. We call it frankfurters, but you know. And we have baby spinach. I love this spinach with scrambled egg. I love to put scrambled egg with it. So yes, I love it. And this is my husband's. I never tried before. DiGiorno raisin crust. I never had it before. It's a pizza. If you guys could see it. So yes, he said it's awesome. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it is. So it looks nice, but I'm not a fan of these type of food because they're not really healthy. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We have some Friendly's French vanilla ice cream. My husband chose this one. And we have 3 body wash here. Irish Spring. Got 3. Put this here. We have some mozzarella sticks. My husband's favorite. So guys, over this side, we have some croissant. Never had it before. All of this is my husband's choice. So let's see how it is. Croissant, you could just stuff it with cheese, stuff it with egg, whatever. We have some carrots right here. Some freshly carrots. I love to eat carrots because, you know, they say carrots is good for your eyes. We have two packs of eggs. I always open my egg to see how It is. There we go. This looks good. Let's try the other one. And see how it is. If everything is good in there. Yep. It's all good, guys. All good. And this, guys, we have my favorite here. The cinnamon raisin bagel. Yep. So good. I eat it with this. It's Philadelphia cream cheese, original, my favorite. Sometimes I try it with strawberry flavor, different type of flavor. We got my bad boy right here, some Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't leave my Scotch bonnet pepper. Always use my Scotch bonnet pepper. We have over here, we have the Arnold white slice 8 slice hot dog buns. I love this. I should have got, what is it called? What is it? Huh? Mustard. Oh, yes, guys. I should have got mustard, but you know, it slipped me. It slipped us because I like it with mustard. And we have my favorite bread right here, the Wonder Bread. Wonder Bread. It's in Jamaica too. I used to love eating this type of bread. So yes, I love to toast it. And we have some, we call it in Jamaica saltfish. And we have some sliced bacon. I love bacon and egg. So I'm gonna make breakfast tomorrow with sliced bacon and scrambled egg with some spinach. So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoy our little grocery shopping. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this grocery haul. It's our first time doing this grocery haul. Even though I'm sick, I'm still pushing. I have the energy, so I'm gonna push. You can't, when you have flu, guys, you can't stay in bed and say, oh, I'm in pain, my head hurts, even though I was doing that before. But now I'm feeling a little bit hyper. So, you know, I'm just saying, yeah, you know what? Let me go and do some grocery shopping, me and my husband. And we're back and, you know, showing you guys a little bit of what we got. So, if any of you guys want to come over for dinner, for breakfast tomorrow with my baby spinach right here and some frankfurters, and you guys could have piece of my husband DiGiorno. Even though I never tried it before, but you guys could come over and have piece of it because it's too much for him, so he have to share. So guys, thank you for, wait guys, wait. You guys want some of my apple juice? You always seen us drinking apple juice on the vlog. So if any one of you guys want to come and have a cup of orange juice, come over. Not orange juice, apple juice. So guys, just come over. We have glasses, we have ice, we have everything. So guys, I'm gonna chef it up and I'm gonna show you what I had cooked. So guys, stay tuned, relax, keep warm. As you can see, I'm covering my neck. I have my tam, and I have this little thing to cover my ears right here. And you know, that's all about it. And my, you know, yeah, my husband got me this jacket. You could do it like this, the snow coming. You see the fur. This is what I like about it, the fur. So guys, so guys, stay tuned. Bye guys.